Hey folks, how you doing? Got a couple new things for you. Got a new carbon fiber sheet finally. I had the last little piece of this. This is the crappy one with the bubbles, but I got the great hookup from Blacksite CF, and they have really good quality stuff. You already see that I cut out piece. This was 12 by 12, 0.3 inch thick. Really good big thick piece. It's not cheap, it's $105 this version, but it's definitely worth it to buy in bulk. If you're talking carbon fiber, definitely worth it to buy in bulk. And some of you have seen it in the previous video, the one I took down. I did the knife already. I managed to finish, and this carbon fiber is really good. The glare kills the camera, but did this with little knife, a little 7-inch blade, I think. Yep, almost 7-inch, like 1/8 of an inch short of the 7-inch. You see, fairly nice polish. You have those super fine grind lines, kind of like almost like a satin finish, but it's like a cross between satin and mirror. But the carbon fiber came out perfect. It's really flawless carbon fiber. Really loving this one. Good quality, tough to work with, just like any other carbon fiber. Did the Phillips screws, exposed those two holes I had there, tang hole, and pretty sweet. This one is actually sold, or will be sold. It's already promised to a friend of mine, so hopefully he will like it. Came with I did the red liners in them. They are not glued, so you can actually even take them out if you really want to, if you take the skulls apart. But pretty sweet knife, fits in the hand really well, big generous handle. I'm pretty sure he's gonna like it. That kind of random ends a pattern that fits my fingers good, and it's set up even for the bigger fingers. The grooves are really nice and big, pretty comfortable. I like this knife. False wedge a little bit on top, razor sharp of course. This one is wicked sharp. It's pretty cool. Nice, should be plenty strong edge. It's like I mentioned yesterday. The edge is rounded off a little bit because it's full high convex, almost full high convex. So it'll be too shallow, it will be too weak, too fine of an edge. So you always round it off a little tiny bit on the end to make that angle a little steeper, and that makes that edge stronger, but still pretty much the same resistance in cutting, like if you would leave it, straight in. And it's gonna be good cutter. Hopefully he will like it. Another thing is, got my ZT back from ZT. The refurbished, they fixed up the grinds. The funny thing is I have to call them, ask them what is it about. I don't have no logos anymore. I don't know what happened. They said that they are just swapping the whole new blade. They didn't say that they would be regrinding my old one. So I assume they have couple blanks, but I'm surprised why they wouldn't, edge the blade for me with my serial number and the logo and everything. I have to ask them what's that about. But now it's great. Came in razor sharp with the regular V edge. I can see that the handle is probably mine because it has some minor scratches on it, but it's good lockup, halfway in, solid. You can feel little, you can probably hear that little wiggle, but that's really nothing. That's not even a blade play, I would say. I don't think that would be counted as a blade play. It's pretty good solid knife. Yeah, no side to side. So can't wait to carry this again. I like this knife. It's good. It's not too big. It's not too heavy. It's hefty, but not too heavy. Not like some other ZTs. And I love the shape. Good looking blade. I chopped with this knife. I chopped through a branch this thick with this knife. The second day I got it, it was kind of fun. Just happened to need to chop through tree at my work in the city. And I think that's it. Got the new pegboard. I have to extend the wall for my knives. And I have some cool stuff coming in on the weekend. I did the trades with the fellow YouTubers. I traded the Mini Vulcan and I traded these guys for something really cool I'm really looking forward to, so stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you for watching, take care, stay safe, and remember, don't cut yourself.